In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a RAR file using WinRAR. RAR archives are just compressed folders that bundle files together to make them easier to store or share. The extraction process is simple, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly which option to choose and where your files end up. First, go to your .rar file. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where you saved it. Common places to check are Downloads, Desktop, or a project folder you use often. If you're not sure where it landed, use the search bar and type the file's name or just .rr to locate it. Once you find the archive, make sure it's the one you expect by glancing at its name and file size and confirm the extension shows RAR. Next, right-click the .rr file and look for WinRAR in the context menu. This is where you'll choose how to unpack the contents. You have two straightforward options. If you click Extract here, WinRAR will unpack everything right into the folder you're currently viewing. This is the fastest route when you want the files immediately visible in the same location. Just keep in mind it can clutter the folder if the archive contains lots of items. If you click Extract Files, WinRAR will open a window that lets you choose a destination. This is ideal for staying organized. Pick a clear, easy-to-find location, maybe a specific project folder or your documents, then confirm by clicking OK. Your files will be placed neatly in that spot. You may also see an option that extracts into a new folder named after the archive. That's simply a tidy shortcut that keeps everything grouped. During extraction, you'll see a progress bar. Large archives or those with many small files can take a little time, so let it run to completion. If you're prompted about replacing existing files, it means some items already exist in the destination. Choose whether to overwrite or keep both based on what you need. A quick tip: make sure there's enough free storage on the drive you're extracting to, especially for large archives. Once the progress bar finishes, you're done. Open the destination folder you chose, or the same folder if you extracted here, and check that the expected files or folders are present. From there, you can open documents, run applications, or play media just like normal. Consider keeping the original .rr as a backup until you've confirmed everything works as expected. That's all there is to it. Find your .rar file, right-click to choose your extraction method with WinRAR, and you're ready to go.